Hi everyone, it's the Hobby Dabbler. Today I'm going to show you how to create a nice textured background in your art journals with something completely free, and that is napkins. You can get them from pretty much everywhere. You can use napkins, you can use paper towels, you can also use tissue paper. So let's dive in. So first, what you want to do is you want to take your napkin and rip it into little chunks and squish them up. Or squish your napkin first before you rip them up. Then what you want to do is you want to take your gel medium and give your page a good coating. So I'll go ahead and do that. You may not want texture everywhere. This page I'm going to do texture everywhere. This page already had some coloration from another page that I had done that had bled through. But that's okay because after I'm done putting on the texture, I'm going to cover it with white gesso anyway. So give a good amount of gel medium on your page. And then what you do is you scrunch up your napkin and you glue it down really messily. And the more messy you do it, the more texture you'll have, and just keep kind of flattening it down with more gel medium as you go. Take another piece, scrunch it up, and kind of stick it down and keep going with your gel medium until you have it all covered. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover my whole page with this, and I will see you at the next step. Now that you have everything tacked down with your gel medium and it's dry, you're going to want to take some white gesso and cover the whole page with the white gesso. So I'll do that and be back in a sec. Alrighty, now that you have your gesso on and dried, the fun part starts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Adirondack color washes and I'm going to spray them on. Give them spritzes here and there with a few different colors. This one was sailboat blue. This is stream and some wild plum. Okay, so now you're going to take some water in a spray bottle and you're going to spritz it. Make it nice and wet so that it all blends and moves around. And this is how you're really going to see your texture. So do that. Let your page kind of drip around. Wiggle it around. And you're going to start to see this really amazing texture. And what I do then is just kind of dab it a little bit with a paper towel to get some of the excess off because some of it's quite heavy. And then you dry it again. And so I'll dry it quick. Okay, now that this is all dry, I'm gonna come in with some tumbled glass distress ink, and I'm gonna wiggle it around on the page to hit all those high spots. And then I'm gonna take some black ink as well and do that on the high spots. So you start to really see the texture as you wiggle this ink pad around on top of all the bumps and ridges. And it looks amazing. So there we go. So all that was achieved from a simple Subway napkin. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much. Bye.